Huge release. Okay, come up for me. That was massive. We are going to put Ashley over this block, and we're going to open up space in this area here. Now, again, she came in hunched forward. She was sitting a lot. That's the pattern that she was in. We have to adjust her to reverse that pattern. So we're going to put her spine and her body into extension, which is why we're using this block here. Slouch a little more. You got it. Start to fall back. Nice. Falling back. Head goes back. Deep breath in. Let it all go. Let it drop. Huge release. Okay, come up for me. That was massive. Oh my gosh.
Take a second.
Yeah.
Breathe.
Woo. Yeah, so take a deep breath. So all that compression we just released, what happens is the body has to integrate that adjustment now. So we use the breath to help integrate the adjustment. So we give her time to breathe. Her body has to recalibrate to the new position that we created in her system. How you feeling?
Feeling better.
Feeling better. Awesome.
Much better.
That was huge. That was huge. Let's go.